Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about probably one of the oldest food additives there's been around. And it's a preservative as well, and that's salt. Now, there's more things coming to light that salt is not as bad for you as certain doctors and medical entities put out. They're finding out that, oh, you need salt for your brain to function. You need salt for certain processes in your body to function. You totally cut salt out, you're actually causing more problems. And then you cause what people blame on salt being in your diet is being caused by salt being out of your diet. But the thing I want to talk about importantly is, do you have a supply of salt put away? Because if everything goes south and all of a sudden there's no more going to the store, no more electricity, no more refrigerators, how are you going to preserve certain foods like meats from chickens, rabbits, deer, cows, whatever? Salting meat has been a thousands of year old process that has been proven very effective. So, do you have extra bags of salt in your supplies? If not, think about adding some. All right? So, in the meantime, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, like how to preserve meat besides canning it. And also, grow a garden. You need to get fresh food because the stuff at the stores, what they're spraying on it to keep the vegetables fresh, you don't want in your body.